Alright guys, so we are working on the derby car. It's going to be epic. Here we have the Candy Crusher and all of the candies. They're going to get spray painted on there. And I outlined some things that are going to get painted, like tasty and delicious. Now, I've never actually played this game, so these are all based on screenshots that I found. Sweet! Yep, that's right. It is going to be sweet. I'm pretty stoked. Why don't you watch me paint this? Help me push this button right here. Push that button real hard. A pink circle. Oh, honey. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Another pink one.
You did it. Looks good. That looks great. I'm gonna do one down here. I'm behind the fire station, isn't that cool? It's like all police cars and fire vehicles. So hopefully I'm doing everything legal. Okay, Carson, you come behind me, and then that way Carson can do it, okay? Come over here. Sterling, you come over here. Carson, you go over there. Good. Oh, see? Somebody touched it. You see that? So what we're going to do when we get paint on ourselves is wipe it on the tire, okay? Wipe it all the way off on the tire. Good job.
That Bye.